Imagine waking up on a weekday and realizing you don't have to check your email. You don't need to jump on a call. You don't have to do anything for your business to keep running. Clients are being served. Money is coming in. Operations are flowing. All without your daily input. Sounds like a fantasy, right? It's not. This is what happens when you build a business that runs without you. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. We're not talking about theory or vague motivation. This is the practical blueprint you need to escape the grind and build a company that works even when you don't. Whether you're just starting or already scaling, this roadmap will help you unlock time, freedom, and scalability. Let's get started. The first step is detaching yourself from the center of your business. Most entrepreneurs become the bottleneck without even realizing it. You're doing the sales calls, writing the emails, answering the support tickets, and fulfilling the product or service. You are the engine, but also the biggest constraint. So the process begins by tracking every task you touch in a given week. Write it all down. Then sort those tasks into categories: what truly needs your attention, and what could be done by someone else with proper training. Even if it's 80% is good, that's good enough. You'll never scale if you demand perfection. Start documenting how you do things. Build step-by-step guides for each task. This documentation is the foundation for replacing yourself. Next, you need systems. Because systems scale what people can't. Think of every repeating task as a process waiting to be defined. Client onboarding, system; email outreach, system; customer support, system. You can use tools like Notion, ClickUp, or Trello to map these out into SOP's standard operating procedures. Every step, every checklist, every decision tree should be written down. Systems create predictability, and predictability is what lets someone else succeed in your place. Don't build a business around your genius. Build it around your process. That's how you create consistency even when you're not present. With systems in place, it's time to delegate. And not just by dumping tasks on someone's plate, but by handing over outcomes. Stop telling people what to do step by step. Start telling them what result they're responsible for. Hire team members not to follow orders, but to own specific metrics. Begin with small roles of virtual assistant, a part-time marketer, and grow into roles like operations managers or department leads. Build a team that's empowered to think, not just execute. Trust them with decision-making. Give them room to solve problems. Your job becomes leadership, not babysitting. Delegation done right isn't loss of control, it's multiplication of capacity. To support that team, you need real leadership inside your business. A true self-operating company isn't just a group of people working, it's a team aligned toward a mission, led by key individuals who make decisions and move things forward without asking for permission. That might mean hiring a COO, a general manager, or heads of departments. These aren't task doers, they're decision makers. Create clear scorecards, hold weekly meetings, and build rhythms of accountability. When leadership is in place, you can step away from day-to-day firefighting and focus on vision, innovation, or even just your personal life, because someone else has their hands on the wheel. Now, let's talk automation. Automation is digital delegation. Every repetitive task that doesn't require human creativity can be automated. Use tools like Zapier, Make, ActiveCampaign, or Stripe to automate emails, customer onboarding, scheduling, payments, and more. But don't rush to automate chaos. First, clean up the process manually, then automate the refined version. Your goal is to build a machine that runs 24/7 without depending on you or your team for every click. Automation is what gives you exponential leverage. And when you combine automation with delegation and systems, your business starts running like a true engine, not a mess of moving parts. But systems alone won't make you free. Your finances need to be just as strong. Most entrepreneurs operate on gut feeling when it comes to money. That's dangerous. You need clear, real-time financial visibility. Set up tools like QuickBooks, Xero, or Profit First frameworks. Build dashboards that show you cash flow, profit margins, expenses, and recurring revenue. Automate invoicing and expense tracking. Make sure your leadership team has access to these metrics too. Financial clarity isn't just about surviving, it's about scaling. When the money makes sense, the business can grow without guesswork. And when you're not the only one managing it, you're finally free to think bigger. Another secret weapon? Educating your clients. Most businesses constantly get pulled back into customer issues because they never invested in client education. Stop answering the same questions over and over. Instead, create welcome videos, onboarding guides, and FAQ hubs. Use Loom to make quick screen share tutorials. Build a client portal with everything they need to succeed. When your clients understand your process, they become empowered, not dependent. This not only saves time, it creates a better client experience. An educated client stays longer, refers more, and trusts the process, all without needing you on speed dial. And don't forget culture, because culture is what holds everything together when you're not around. A business without culture will always collapse the moment the founder steps out. Start by defining your values. Make them real, not just posters on a wall. Bake them into hiring, onboarding, and daily communication. Celebrate wins publicly. Give feedback regularly. Hold people accountable not just for results, but for how they get those results. When your team believes in the mission and lives the values, they start leading each other. That's when culture becomes self-sustaining, and your business becomes truly independent from your presence. As you step out of operations, decisions should no longer be driven by emotion, but by data. Build a dashboard-driven business. Set clear KPIs for every department: marketing, sales, fulfillment, support. Make those numbers visible to the team. Review them weekly. Data builds objectivity. It removes guesswork. It tells you where the bottlenecks are, what's working, and what's broken. When decisions are based on data, you no longer need to oversee every detail. Your team becomes empowered to act based on evidence, not assumptions. And that is one of the final keys to running a business that doesn't require you at every turn. And now, the ultimate mindset shift. Build your business as if you're going to sell it, even if you never plan to. Why? Because a business that's built to sell is organized, documented, and independent. That means clean financials, clear roles, solid systems, recurring revenue, and low founder dependency. Identify your value drivers. Make your operations transparent. Ensure someone else could step in and continue growing what you've built. Whether you exit or not, this mindset forces long-term thinking. It removes ego from operations. It focuses you on building something that lasts. A business that works without you is not just a business, it's an asset. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most entrepreneurs. Most people stay stuck in the hustle, thinking the grind is the price of success. But now you know the truth. Success isn't about doing more, it's about designing smarter. So if you got value from this video, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button, drop a comment below telling me which strategy you're going to implement first, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next step in your journey to freedom. Remember, this channel is here to help you build smarter, scale faster, and live freer. Thanks for watching. Now go build a business that runs without you.